If you want to remove a payment method from YouTube Music, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is updated. This process can help you manage your subscriptions and payment options effectively. Step 1. Open YouTube Music app. Launch the YouTube Music app on your device or visit the YouTube Music website in your browser. Step 2. Sign in. Make sure you are signed into the account from which you want to remove the payment method. If you are not signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Step 3. Access account settings. Tap on your profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 4. Navigate to Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, look for the Payment Methods or Manage Payment Methods option. Click on it to view the payment methods linked to your account. Step 5. Remove payment method. Find the payment method you wish to remove and select the option to delete or remove it. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the payment method is successfully removed. After completing these steps, your payment method will be removed from YouTube Music. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to YouTube support.